To open a Scotiabank account online, you will need to follow a series of straightforward steps. First, go to the Scotiabank website and click on the Open an Account button. This will take you to a page where you can select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account. Next, you will need to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social insurance number. You will also need to provide proof of identity and residency, which can be uploaded online or verified through a video call with a Scotiabank representative. Once you have completed the application, you will need to review and agree to the terms and conditions of the account. This includes understanding the fees associated with the account, the interest rate, and any other rules or regulations that apply. After you have agreed to the terms and conditions, your account will be opened and you will be provided with a username and password to access your account online. You can then use this information to log into your account, view your balance, transfer funds, and pay bills. It is also important to note that Scotiabank offers a variety of accounts to choose from, including student accounts, youth accounts, and accounts for seniors. Each of these accounts has its own unique features and benefits, so it is a good idea to research and compare the different options before making a decision. In addition to the online application process, Scotiabank also offers a mobile banking app that allows you to manage your account on the go. This app is available for both iPhone and Android devices and can be downloaded from the App Store. Overall, opening a Scotiabank account online is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the time to understand the terms and conditions of your account, you can start enjoying the benefits of banking with Scotiabank right away.